Hey everybody! This video is going to talk about graphing a line given its equation in slope-intercept form, intercept-slope. So here we're given an equation, y equals 3x minus 6, and we're told to graph the line. So we have a line in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form gives us everything we need in order to graph it. It gives us the slope, and it gives us the intercept. So the slope is given by the number in front of the x. So that means our slope is 3. What's our intercept? Well, it is actually the y-intercept. The value of the y is negative 6, because we have a minus there, don't forget that. And the x value is 0. So we have a point, 0, negative 6, which is right here. And then we have a slope of 3. Now remember, a slope of 3 says we're going to go up 3 over 1, because we rise 3 and we go over 1. So 1, 2, 3 over 1. Up 1, 2, 3 over 1. Now, we could also, from this point, as long as we're producing a positive slope, we could go down 3 into the left 1, because negative 3 over negative 1 equals a positive 3. And we can see it follows this line nicely. So what we're going to do from there is we're going to connect the points, and there's our line given its equation in slope-intercept form.